Let's make an awesome beef curry today.
Hi all, how are you? Joshi here. Today we are going to make a very spicy beef curry with all these spices. So it will be very spicy and very tasty. Shall we start? Today I am with my two big helpers on either side of me.
Hi, I am Savannah. I am Jillian.
We are using 2.2 pounds or 1 kilogram of beef. Cut the beef into 1-inch cube size pieces. We are going to roast some spices here. Put a pan on stove. Preheat that in medium flame. Once the pan is preheated, add 2 star anise, some cinnamon sticks, 2 teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon cumin seed, half teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 6 cardamom, 6 cloves, quarter of a nutmeg mace and quarter of a nutmeg. Stir this to roast evenly. Once the fennel seeds turn slight brownish, turn the stove off. Now grind these roasted spices. Make sure to grind these spices very finely. Put a pot on stove top. Do not turn it on yet and add the beef to the pot. Add the ground spices to the meat. Add 2 teaspoons of garam masala. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Add 3 tablespoons of roasted coriander powder. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 tablespoon of meat masala and 1 teaspoon of salt to this. And mix this well. So the beef gets marinated with all the spices. Add 4 ounces of water to this, which is about 120 milliliters. Then mix this again. Then cover the pot with the lid and set the stove on medium flame and let it cook. Occasionally open the lid and stir this in between. While our meat is cooking there, peel 3 medium-sized onions and slice those. Remove the rinds. Slice the onions like this. Let's slice all 3 onions like this. Cut in half first and slice lengthwise like this. Transfer the sliced onions to a bowl. Peel and chop a 2-inch piece of ginger. Transfer the chopped ginger to a bowl. Peel 9 cloves of garlic and chop that finely. Transfer those chopped garlic to a bowl too. 5 minutes after putting the meat on the stove, open the lid and stir it once. Then close the lid and let it cook again. When the beef is half cooked, add another teaspoon of salt and mix that well. Once the beef is about 75% cooked, add half of the sliced onions, half of the chopped garlic and half of the chopped ginger to this. Then mix it well. I am adding half a cup of sliced coconut, but this is optional. If you don't have it or if you don't want it, you don't have to. Mix that again. Add another 4 ounces or 120 milliliters of water. Mix that again. Replace the lid and let it cook the rest. As I said earlier, open the lid and stir a few times in between. While rest of the 25% is cooking, let's start with the remaining onions, ginger and garlic. To saute the onions, preheat a pan on stove top in medium flame. Once the pan is heated, add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. I am using extra virgin coconut oil. You can use any oil and wait for the oil to warm up completely. Once the oil is heated, add a teaspoon of mustard seeds and wait for the mustard seeds to splatter. Once the mustard seeds are splattered, add the rest of the onions to this. Add the remaining half of the ginger and the remaining half of the chopped garlic. Then saute this in medium flame. Add a pinch of salt for the onions to saute quickly. Stir a few times in between so this cooks evenly. Once the onions are a bit cooked, add quarter cup of sliced coconut. This is optional too. Mix this so it also cooks evenly. Once the onions start to brown a little bit, add 3 sprigs of curry leaves to this and mix that well. Once the onions are about this much brown, add another tablespoon of meat masala to this. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Stir this continuously for about 30 seconds and let it cook. After 30 seconds, turn the stove off. Add the sauteed onions to this and mix it well. Since we are making this a curry, add some more water as needed to have enough gravy. I added another 8 ounces of water to this. Then add a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Mix that well.
Add another teaspoon of salt and make sure salt is enough and let it cook for another minute.
Once it is boiled for a minute, turn the stove off. Our beef curry is completely ready here.
Hope all of you like the recipe. Please try this out next time. Check out other travel and cooking videos in the channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give a thumbs up, leave a comment and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.